Hi, today we're going to talk about adding a Facebook or Twitter icon to your signature file in Outlook. You can also add a logo if you want somebody to be able to click on your logo and go to your website. It's the same exact process. You just want to make sure that you don't have so much that is crowded and that your icons stand out. So today we're going to add Facebook and Twitter. The first thing you want to make sure that you do is have these files on your desktop and ready, so that whenever you need them, all you have to do is click over to your desktop to get them. Next, you want to make sure that any URLs that you're going to need are open in a browser screen and ready to copy and paste. So all you have to do is to snag the URL and then put it into the right place. Once you've done these two steps, go ahead and open up your Outlook. If you go to open a new email, you'll notice that we currently have, for example, just nice text on there that's clickable links over to our Facebook and our Twitter. But if we add an icon in there, it's really prominent and people are used to seeing the logo for Facebook and Twitter. So we're going to go ahead and do that by going up here to the signature file and clicking on signatures, and we're going to erase in the template where it says like us on Facebook and Twitter. So instead we're going to add something like get connected today. And we're going to go ahead and add in our icons. So for the first icon, we're going to click the image button over here, and on your desktop you will see Facebook. We're going to add that one in, and a few spaces, and then go ahead and add in our Twitter icon as well, so that we'll be finished with that part. Now you notice that a box appears around it when you click on the icon. So let's go ahead and click on the one that we want to add the URL to. We're going to click on Facebook and go to the box next to it, which is the insert hyperlink. Click on that one and find the hyperlink that we had already pulled up. Since this is the Facebook, we're going to highlight the URL, right click, and say copy. Go back to the message, erase what's in there, and say right click and paste. There are two things to make sure of here: that you're telling it to go to where there's an existing file or web page, so that it will know to go outside of the email to an existing web page. We're also going to tell it to change the target frame. Changing the target frame to new window allows for that link to open in a new window. That way your email doesn't disappear, or it doesn't struggle in some programs allowing the user to click on that link. So when we say change it to a new window, and you'll see right down here it shows that it changed the target frame to a new window, it allows that to click through to your Facebook page. Say OK. Now we're going to do the same thing with the Twitter. Click on add a URL, go out and get our Twitter URL, right click, copy, go back, erase what's there, right click, and paste. Existing file or web page, target frame will be new window, and say OK. Say OK again. Now whenever you save this and say OK, you can go ahead and close this new email and go back to your email program, and when you open a new email again, voila, your icons are there. I hope this answered your question.